Here, Eddie. There you go. Did you want a Champ's leash? Did you want to walk Champ?
Yeah.
Have
The elevator ride. Sit. Maybe not. Eddie, can you sit? No. Okay.
They're like, well, if you tell us what is in it for us, we might.
What's in it for us? We're here. Come on, guys. Here, I'll just drop those. Come on, Chambers. Home again. Woohoo. Woohoo. Good to be home. Let's go get something to eat. Hey, who got the slipper out, huh? Bad. Bad, Champ. You drop that slipper right now. That was a Christmas gift. No. No, bad dog. Very bad dog. You're a bad white dog. You're a pretty good dog. It's because you don't have any teeth.